How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable the Z-Hop in Bambu Studio. So just head over or open up your project. From here, you want to navigate through the printer section, and basically you will be able to see your printer preset. So in my case, I'm using the Bambu Lab A1. You then want to click on the pencil icon that says click to edit preset. It will then take us to the main page setting for this specific printer right here. Now, navigate through extruder, scroll down, and then we have our retraction. Now, we can edit something like the Z-Hop when retract. Now, you generally want to use something like 0.4 to 0.8 mm, and the Z-Hop type is most likely is going to be between normal and spiral. So you can just edit everything out right here, and basically you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.